My name is Cedric and I live in Houston, Texas with my family. And from here, we're about 50 to 60 miles from the Gulf. Our power outages caused about heavy thunderstorms, of course the hurricanes. Living in Texas with a privately managed power grid and frequent storms causing outages, it became clear we needed a more reliable power solution. It started around about 2008 when we had that hurricane came through Houston, and we didn't have no lights for 14 to 18 days. And I didn't know anything about solar then, but I got my first computer and started discovering things online and stuff. I discovered YouTube, and I started seeing people running their house off of solar. I didn't really know what that was. I kept on researching though, and looking more in it, and then I started seeing more and more people doing it, and I said, I want to do this. And I wanted something that will run the whole house. I spent hours and hours building and constructing my own DIY solar system that integrated into my home. But when I found the Anker SOLIX F3800, I decided to work that into my home system as a backup solution. It's mobile, you can move it around, and it produces 240 volts, and that can run your whole house too, though, you know. It's very different than other power stations, because most power stations doing only 120, but this particular model does 240 and 120 volts. I can use it to run the washer, the dryer, the fridge, the microwave. The Anker SOLIX F3800 made my life more reliable, and switching to solar power has changed the aspects of my life. It's a great choice because of its quick setup, dependable performance, and ability to expand as your needs grow. The F3800 is the best product on the market right now. It's the ideal power station for anyone needing reliable off-grid functionality anywhere they go. Knowing it's there and ready to turn on in any situation gives me peace of mind and independence. It also helps reduce our bills, which is a huge relief. For anyone building their own solar setup, the F3800 is an easy-to-install, reliable solution.